Wait, what the? Wait. Wait. Pictures real quick for right now. Anything. They're back. Wait. Bruh. Okay. So. No. We're gonna delete this. There you go. Enough a deal about this. I'm sure about this because I quit. Hi guys, it's me, Snuffy, and welcome back to playing Draw Stickman Epic 2. I don't know what happened because they're back. Welcome back to play Draw Stickman Epic 2. So we heard about the part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. Now we're gonna start part 5. So at least there's this into that. This is I don't know. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Huh, I can't. So all by myself. Okay, let's do it. Whoa. Whoa. Hey. Where am I going? Ah! Use it. Yeah. Yay. Success. Bruh. Yes. Yo. Yay. And to that, look. Color bodies. Gimme. And to not that. Bringing a fire. Bruh. I better listen to that. So then, yeah. Which is this? It's called the Big Book Sword. The Big Book Sword. Yes. Yay. Okay. You want this? I don't have a big deal of this. Well, screw this. Okay. Yoink. Whoa. I can attack! I can't! I can't attack! Yay! I got the first puzzle in the world! Off the snow this all the way. We got first color body ever seen. Okay. What a paw, bruh. Thanks. You're welcome. I can't roughly click. No. Oh, man. Whoa! Run! Check this. You want to some of this? Oh. Haha! Did I? What the heck is that? Bruh. Okay, let's go. Let's just keep going. We need a piece of this moon, honey, or something. I guess Okay, let's put some egg of a chicken. Whoa! Whee! Yoink. Rip. Yoink. Oh, sorry, I don't mean to. Let's do it! Dun, dun, dun. I cannot reach in my head. No, 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 no. Oh, I saw the red thing. It's a blood. That means, I don't know, a little bit kids, I guess. Okay, now let's go. Ice in the snow. I said ice in the snow, bro. Okay, let's go. Wait for me. Dang it. No! Bro, I can't control it. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, checkpoint. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We got him, we got him. We here. We here. Whoa! 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 Okay, watch me say characters. I know it's about this. Whoa! Uh-oh. Oh no. Uh-oh. Get him. Uh-oh. Well then, enough of the rocks. Uh-oh. Yes! Uh-oh. Oh god. Whoa! Stop, man! Whoa! Ouch! 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 Dun, dun, dun! Whoa! Oh. Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh. Oh crap. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. And now boop, and that says, wait for it, and then back. Oh god. Alright. Oh, the Chinese word ink dragon. Uh-oh. Whoa! They're taking my friend. We need to get them. We need to get them. I got an extra heart. Oh. Yay. Now, into the chapter 8. There he is. We're gonna start off of chapter 1. But of this lesson, but the sticky storage, we have to get all the puzzle and all color buddies. But started off, you didn't get no minds about. First color buddy. Okay, we got him. Die. Your ants are mine. The ants! Gimme! And they just run off. I want the food! I want my food! Well then, sadly. Oh, come on! Oh, there we go. Done. Put the leaves on it. Uh-oh, flicky. I don't know. Nothing else work! Okay, he did. What's that? Let's see, it's a super large tree. So first, make a tree. A large leaves. Dang it. There you go. Let's see, it's a super large, I think. Oh god, we had to defeat those. Whoa. Have it? We did it. But I didn't. Did you see that? What's that? Oh my god! It's actually work! The max of largest tree if you've ever seen. That was a super large tree. Let me make it more. I just start off. I said start off. Bruh. Whoa, that was a super large tree. We can clear everything. But hopefully the painter doesn't like it dirty. He wants to clean it. Whoa! This is the super large tree ever seen. Whoa! I didn't even see. Crap. Get in the super large! Whoa! Hey, watch it. Yay. Okay, let's go. I already got one. Okay, we need to review it first. Do we have to write color body? Please, color body. Yoing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm gonna connect all of those. So thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, and see you guys later. Peace out, boys.